So, question number 1 from reading number 21. Which of the following terms refer to same type of risk? Let's look at the options. Option A is systematic risk and firm specific risk. So, you need to know कि इसके लिए नाम क्या क्या है. So, systematic risk के लिए there are different names. There are 4 names. I'm just writing it over here. One is systematic risk. Then this risk also we call as beta risk. Then non-diversifiable risk. This cannot be diversified, so non-diversifiable risk. And there is one more name which is macroeconomic. Macro, not micro, right? Macroeconomic. So these are the different names for the same risk. So it is systematic risk, beta risk, non-diversifiable, and macroeconomic risk. So this risk we cannot diversify, as the name suggests, non-diversifiable. Macroeconomic factor है, something like inflation है, interest rate है, different है. All the factors are macroeconomic. These factors are not company related. That's why we cannot diversify them. Or yeah, so these are the factors. The other names are systematic risk and beta risk. So we have been asked the same type of the risk. Systematic risk and the firm specific risk are different. So let me give you other जो है. The other thing is non-systematic risk. Exactly इसका उल्टा है सब कुछ. Systematic, non-systematic. Then यहाँ पे बीटा है, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा आपका अल्फा. Then non-diversified ये होगी. We can diversify this, so diversifiable. एंड ये मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक रिलेटेड फैक्टर्स है. और यहाँ पे कंपनी स्पेसिफिक और द फर्म स्पेसिफिक. कंपनी और द फर्म. और इसको और एक नाम है, वो है यूनिक रिस्क. Why unique? Because it is company specific, so it is unique to that company. So let's see systematic risk and the firm specific risk. Systematic risk यहाँ पे है, firm specific risk यहाँ पे है. So this is not the same. So these two risks are different. This is systematic, this is firm specific, non-systematic. So ये option नहीं होगा. टोटल रिस्क एंड द वेरिएंस ऑफ रिटर्न्स देखते हैं इसका क्या है. ये यहाँ पे कहीं दिख तो नहीं रहा है. लेट्स मूव टू द ऑप्शन सी एंड विल कम बैक टू बी लेटर. अनडाइवर्सिफिएबल मतलब नॉन डाइवर्सिफिएबल ये. एंड अनसिस्टेमेटिक रिस्क. अनसिस्टेमेटिक इज ओवर हियर, नॉन सिस्टेमेटिक और अनसिस्टेमेटिक. सो ये भी नहीं है. सो इवन सी इज रूल्ड आउट. सो इसका आंसर होगा बी. सो व्हाट इज टोटल रिस्क एंड द वेरिएंस ऑफ रिटर्न्स? So basically total risk is identified by sigma and variance of returns is nothing but sigma square. So standard deviation and the standard deviation of square. So it is the same type of risk. So the answer for this question is B. We have been asked which of the following terms refers to the same type of risk. So total risk is identified by standard deviation and variance is nothing but square of standard deviation. So it's the same thing. Exact sigma nahi hai, but sigma and sigma square we have been asked same type of risk. So the total risk is identified by standard deviation, that is nothing but sigma, and variance is sigma square, right? So the answer for this question is B. So the point to remember over here are different names. So ये names interchangeably कैसे भी use होते हैं. So you should know all the names. Do not get confused what is beta risk, what is alpha risk. So remember all the names. Yeah, it was a simple question, theoretical one. If you get such question in the exam, you will hardly need like 10-15 seconds. So you can save time in such questions and can give time to other numericals.